Nice little 3-banger. Oh, this guy swallowed it down. Bunch of my fly material. Baby mantis shrimp or something that guy just spit up. Let's get you off. Get you free. Oh, sorry. Oh man, what a sunrise. Good morning, everyone. Probably about like 10 minutes till bait time, so about to get busy, but just taking in the sights for now. Down. Whatever it is, not super huge. This reel's making quick work of it. That's dumb. Oh, pretty nice size uku. Isn't really the target today, but I was taking uku. Mess out of that. Still bait time, so let's get this back out. Plan is to not, I don't know if I'm going to run very many bottom lines today. I really am just targeting pelagics today, but sometimes that bait swims down on their own and can't help but catch that uku. That's big. Oh no, spun me clear around. Wow. This feels sharky. Let's see what that is. Oh, I'm on a double.
Oh yeah, double, right on, get him. Who's that? I think that was Devin.
got some bounce to it. Promising. About 150. Much of a fighter. Might be a calva. We'll see.
Brandon, where you said by Devin, you said? Yo, I'm marking some big marks, but they still deep at like 180, 200. I don't see you anymore. I couldn't even see you. The kayak are out here. I don't know where it went. It's probably that other guy. Oh. All I see is a white cap. See where those guys are. I can see somebody out there. Maybe that's Brendan, maybe. Not the right kayak. How far away? I don't know. Like, real far. Brendan, what do you say? I'll turn on right flank. Oh. Where else, David? Is that you guys? Oh, David was outside of the bed right here.
Feels promising. Could be an uku. Oh, slimy, slippery. Meh. That's kind of eater size actually, but lucky day. Up again. Uh-oh, camera problems. Oh no, my lines are crossing. Oh, it's a fish. Strong bugger. Fat uku.
Yeah, uku there.
Yeah, this one's pretty big.
Oh, nice one, 20. Bro, I gotta give me one on the move. I gotta give me a uku. Like, make sashimi tomorrow.
You can have one of these.
No, I'm only joking there. Thank you, I like catch my own for the action too. Yeah, I see.
Well, that was a nice uku. I don't like to catch too many of them. That was a big one, so we put away the downrigger. Oh. So we got a little bit of a tangle, a lot of head shakes. I don't know, kind of feeling like a kava again. Fight got a little weak, but you never know. Does look like a tuna. Yeah, another kava. Yeah, I got a Bixby.
Okay, you should be good then. You too, pedal assist now.
Yeah, I throw mine in the back too.
Okay, Roger. I'm all good then.
Oh yeah. Oh, Lauren, you like on uku?
Well, you don't for you, don't you?
Yeah, I get two, and I normally only keep two. I don't keep a third one.
Oh, Roger, yeah. If you don't need them, I take one, my brother. Can make sure sashimi for my Arabian team tomorrow.
Oh, this one get plenty sashimi.
Oh, right on. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.